Okay, we're at Grandel Petroleum. I just added a little bit of acetone to the tank in anticipation of what it will take to fill it up. That's kind of a wild guess based on... Anyway, I'm running about 1 ounce per gallon of acetone. Okay, it says 4.8 gallons to fill her up. Okay, I've just paid the man, and I'm showing you my dash. And my fuel gauge is now full. There's the mileage. Here's the trip meter. I'm going to reset the trip meter to 0. And here we go. Grandel Petroleum, Boise, Idaho. Now to hit the freeway. Okay, we're coming up to the freeway on ramp. You can see we've already gone 0.8 of a mile just to get to the freeway. Now we'll get some highway miles. Okay, we're at about the halfway point. I'm exiting at the Franklin exit at Caldwell, Idaho. We started on the Broadway on-ramp at Boise, Idaho. And I got lucky enough to hit the light. I'll show you the odometer reading. The trip meter is at 25.3. Now we got a stoplight. This is always interesting. Little delays. There we go. Anyway, no stopping at a gas station, just right back on the freeway. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that trip meter reading. Anyway, after getting back on and going a little ways, now it's in the shade. You can see 27 is the trip meter. Still buried on full. And on we go. Okay, we're approaching Boise now, and as you can see, we're at 44.4, and I'm doing about 58 miles an hour. Gas gauge is still on full. We should be back to the Broadway exit shortly, and I'll film some more. Okay, we're at the Broadway exit now. Turning off. Trip meter says 49.8. Gas gauge is still on full. Gas gauge has moved just a tad. I've seen it kind of jiggle. So I'm going to shut this camera off so I don't get a ticket for filming while I'm driving. And as soon as I get to the gas station, I'll turn it back on. Okay, we're back at Grandel Petroleum. Pulling in. Trip meter shows 50.9. By the time I get to the gas pump, I'll probably be 60. Anyway, go pull up to the gas pump. And then I will go inside and get the card and come out and top her off. gas pumps. Yeah, 59.9, pushing 60, still on full. Okay, I was here at 8:56. It's now 10:07, so I'm going to sign in. Okay, I've come back out here to the gas pumps. I'm going to top her off now. Now we watch. We watch to see how much it takes to fill it back up. 1 gallon. 1 gallon. And it stopped. Well, that's over 45 miles per gallon, sir and sirs. I'll go back in and pay the man. Well, I'm home now, and the best mileage I've ever got out of this car, as it says right there, was last summer with about 1% acetone. Air temperature then was about 70 degrees. Today it's about 40. As you can see, the front tires and the back tires are different. The back tires are 225s, and it's supposed to have 205s. It gets about, it's off, the speedometer's off by about 2 miles an hour at 50 miles an hour. Just to be fair, I'll also admit, if you can see this, that it was 1.1 gallon. There's the invoice date. Grandel Petroleum Products has the only non-ethanol blended gas in Boise. There's their address. It's on Federal Way. So 1.1 gallons, I got to consider that, but I'm also going to consider 2 miles, about 2 miles difference because of my large oversized tires on the back, and I'll calculate it out.